I don't know about you, but I've always been told that a good defense is built on a good offense. Howdy, I'm Eric, and in this one, we're going to be talking about active defense. Now, hold on a second. Before we move along and get into it, though, we need to understand that everything covered in this lesson requires the network's or organization's owner's approval. The sporadic or random changing of settings mentioned in this lesson can sometimes be detrimental to a system or network if not properly planned or executed correctly. That being said, this is my favorite part of cybersecurity and defense. It's time for us to make them baddies earn their money and try to work their hardest to get nothing whatsoever. There are three key elements to active defense: distract, divert, and delay. Through these three elements, we're allowed more time to identify security threats and vulnerabilities. And that's where the distraction part comes in primarily in this lesson, is that if you distract the baddie long enough, you have more time to be able to identify what's actually going on through your logging and through your perimeter security measures. And you can actually develop a plan and not have it be a knee jerk reaction to shut something off. Diversion is just that. You're diverting the attack from actually happening to production systems. And this diversion can sometimes confuse the attacker and have them attack something that's completely pointless. Or it may not be completely pointless. There may be something there that you want them to get so that you can identify where this goes. And overall, we're delaying them because the more time that we're allowed, the more time that we're allowed to actually develop that plan that we were just talking about. So, with those three key elements in mind, let's start moving ahead and going over what it takes to actually set up a proper active defense and give those security managers like us a little bit of opportunity to get ahead of the game. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.